If you're sitting your Edexcel A-Level Business Paper 1 tomorrow, here's what you need to know. And make sure you watch this entire video as it could literally save your grade. Now just remember the basic format of the paper tomorrow. You'll have two different sections with two different sets of case studies, two 4 markers, 110, 112 and a 20 marker. And remember, your case studies are literally your mark schemes. So what you need to do first, read the questions and understand what different topics they're asking you about. Then I would have a different highlighter pen for a 10 marker, 12 marker and a 20 marker. And then when I'm annotating that case study, I highlight all the key areas of the case study that relate to the 10, 12 and 20 marker. Because when you're 50 minutes into your exam, you look back at that case study, you've highlighted it all in the same color, that's not going to help you. So make sure you read the questions first. And remember, the biggest enemy you have tomorrow is the time. So stick to my 1 minute per mark rule. So for a 10 marker, 10 minutes, 12 marker, 12 minutes, 20 markers, 20 minutes. Do not go over this. Now let's go over some last minute exam technique advice. Now those 4 markers are really your opportunity to gain some time back for the 10, 12 and 20 markers. So 4 markers, remember, if it's a calculation question, write the formula, write all the workings that you have. And if you don't like calculation questions, just move on as quickly as possible. With the 4 marker explain questions, remember 1 mark for a definition, you need 2 pieces of application, so 2 pieces of information from the case study and 1 short chain of analysis. Now your 10 and your 12 markers, pretty much the same, you just get a few more marks available for analysis and evaluation. So realistically, I would do 1.4, 1 point against and a nice conclusion. If you want to have mini howevers adopting the peach style for your for and against point, go for it, as long as you're not running out of time. So I would only include those mini howevers if you have the time available. And now for the 20 markers. Make sure you understand what the question is asking you. Typically, you'll have 2 different options you're evaluating with a clear goal in mind. That might be to increase the business's profitability, to help the business grow, whatever it might be. So be really clear that that end goal is where you should finish your chain of analysis on. So I would spend around 6 to 7 minutes evaluating option 1. So a good thing about option 1 and a bad thing. 7 minutes evaluating option 2. Once again, something good, something bad about it. And a nice 6-minute conclusion. Now with your conclusion, answer the question, justify your answer, make sure within your justification you're bringing in something new. What you can do is start to incorporate MOPs. So potentially justify why you've gone for option 1 using something from MOPs and why you've gone against option 2 using something else from MOPs. And then have a "it depends on" statement at the end. But don't just have a throwaway "it depends on," explain why your answer depends on this and how it could impact your judgment. And finally, best of luck. Guys, go and smash it. You've been working really hard over these last few years. Now is the time for you to show off all the knowledge that you've been learning. Best of luck, guys. Go and smash it.